Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing another Shein haul. So I've actually had this stuff for a really long time. I got this stuff before Valentine's Day and I'm only making the video now. I got quite a lot of stuff. I haven't ordered from them in a really long time. They have gels and stuff. They have a whole bunch of new stuff and I had to get my hands on them. But let me get started. To start off, I got some of these trays. Also, if you see like orange on my nails, it's because I just got done eating some birria tacos. So it kind of stained my nails a little bit, but hopefully you don't see it. I got some of these rhinestones. I wanted green and I couldn't pick between the two, so I got the two. Seeing them in person though, I do like this one a little bit more. Next, I got some of these angel stickers. This might be the only set of stickers that I got. When I was looking, nothing was really jumping out at me except from these. I do like these a lot. I got some of these moon charms. I do prefer the gold, but I also wanted them in silver as well. I had seen this ring, although it's not nail related. I know we like to dress up our practice hands or just, you know, our own hands. So I was like, I'm just going to include it. But it's such a pretty ring. Shein has like a nice jewelry section, to be honest. What I like about this is that it's adjustable. I bought some of these zodiac charms. I actually have never seen them in pink before, so when I seen them I had to get them. I like the shade of pink that it is. I got one of these mini mandrel bits. I did actually get one from a Melody Susie PR. I'd ordered this prior to that, but I'm happy to have two because I'm obsessed with the mini sanding bands. Next, I got some of these. I'm gonna have to show you this a little bit up close because you can't tell what it is, but I think they're super cute. They're basically angels over some pearls, and then it's got like a gold trim. I got some of these frame charms. I actually have this in my basket on Temu, and then I was hearing like really bad stuff about that site, and I was like, okay, I guess I won't be placing this order, but I seen that they had them on Shein and decided to get it from there. I got some of these silver cherry charms. They're in the shape of a heart, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I got this before Valentine's Day and I had so many ideas with all the stuff that I got, but I was super busy, couldn't get this haul out and couldn't really do too many Valentine's Day nails. However, I am ready for next year though. I got some wax pencils. The one I have kind of sucks, so I decided to replace it. I like how long they are and they haven't been sharpened, so this should last a while. Next, I got some of these nail polish swatch dots. I'm putting some of my older polishes into drawers and these are really helpful so that I can see the color once I pull the drawer and don't have to like open the bottle to see what color it is. I got some of these bows. These are actually like two different shapes. It's not too much of a difference, but I couldn't find the exact same version of this in gold, and then I couldn't find the exact same version of this in silver. But chances are if I do use them, I'm not going to mix the two colors together anyway. But let me show you them up close. It's not too much of a massive difference. It's just that the gold one is slightly bigger. I seen these charms and they are supposedly 50 pieces in each bag and it was like $3 or $4, and I was kind of thinking that it might be too good to be true, but I think there is 50 pieces in each. I think I like the gold pack more. The silver one I got has mostly bows, which I'm not mad at because they're quite pretty. This one just seemed to have a better selection, and this one actually has like more butterflies, but they're super gorgeous. I also really like the fact that they, you know, they just snuck a YSL charm in here, because I know they're not supposed to like sell that type of thing. However, I'm not complaining. In the silver pack, I had a Chanel one, and I think this one here is a Gucci one. But these pack of charms, I feel like they're so well worth it. I believe this one also has 50 charms. So in this pack, there isn't any double, so I'm going to show you all of them. I will say the lip charms are not the best looking. It's kind of odd. I got some of these Virgin Mary nail charms. I can't wait to use this in a set. I ideally want to make a set for someone else with like a whole bunch of these charms. In one of my previous videos, I did say I was going to start doing press-ons. If you are interested, just DM me on IG or TikTok or just wherever you may have me. I had seen these and I really wanted to get them because I've been dying to do a money set. I had tried when I first started my channel, but it failed and I never posted it. I'd actually did it with British pounds, not the actual note though. What I did was I printed it on water slide paper and did that whole entire thing, and it wasn't the best. So I am gonna retry it and I'm gonna do dollars instead. I still do actually want to do British pounds as well, but I am gonna try the dollars. Next, I got some of these hot pink rhinestones. So I have all the staple colors, but I feel like I've never seen hot pink on Shein's website. I had seen that Shein had a lot of the Y2K charms. I had bought quite a bit off AliExpress, so I held back. I was like, I'm gonna get some, but I'm not gonna get too much. And these are two that I got. I got some of these bows because I seen that coquette nails are like a trend, and I'm not 100% sure if I want to do them, but I do want the bows. So if I do want to do them, I have the option to do them. For my next few charms, I'm going to be speed running them, so I'm not going to be talking over it. The next part after the charms are going to be the gel polishes. I've actually already used these charms. I used this for my Valentine's Day nail set, but I am going to show them up close. So I got a whole bunch of these gel polishes. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm just gonna go with J. If anyone knows how it's pronounced, please let me know. But these are some cat eye gels, and these on the right, I don't actually remember what they are, but these are supposed to be almost similar to the Korean syrup gel polishes, so I'm excited to swatch them. I actually have swatched 2 or 3 of them, but I'm excited to see how all of them look together. So this is how the bottle looks. I really like this. It kind of reminds me of Enel Couture's packaging. I did notice that on the actual boxes the color isn't there. I will have everything in the pinned comment, so you might just have to click around and find the specific color that you're looking for. So this is how one coat looks. I'm going to apply another one and then play around with the magnets. show the swatches for all the cat eyes that I got, but I do show them all at the end. The consistency of them was pretty nice. It wasn't too thick and it wasn't too thin. I would recommend these. I had found this green polish on their website and I really liked how it looked in the swatch picture, and luckily enough it matched the swatch picture. I do wish they had some other colors though. If I do see more from that brand, I will be getting them. I'm going to show all the swatches side by side at the end, and the order in which they're in there is how I'll have it linked in the pinned comment. So these are all the colors that I got. I will say when it came to the cat eyes, the pictures looked a little bit different, but I think it's because they did a different technique using the magnet. So I'm gonna play around with these more just to see if I can get closer to how the picture looks. My favorites are the glitter ones, and as far as the cat eye ones, this one might be my favorite, this icy blue. This one is pretty bright. It'd be great for fall. I still do like the colors very much. I would say some of the cat eye ones are more for winter, but this is a pretty nice selection. Also, this green right here is quite nice. I did 3 coats of it. But that is it for my haul. Let me know what your favorite item was. It was pretty much a whole bunch of charms and a whole bunch of polishes. Also, let me know which one of these gels were your favorite. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.